I'm Sarah Lowry, one of the RN3s in the Surg ICU at MUSC, and today we're going to be talking about the Yacker Tracker, which is something that was a nurse-driven project started in the medical intensive care unit over at the main hospital. And they did some studies, and the nursing department decided to try to come up with something to help regulate and notify the nursing staff of when we are being too loud in the patient environment. And they've done a lot of studies showing that if we can maintain normal sound levels, it helps reduce delirium, confusion, agitation with patients, decreases length of stay, as well as mortality. So I'm just going to give you a brief in-service about the Yacker Tracker. It functions just like a stoplight, and there are numbers right here that indicate the different decibel levels. The range on the Yacker Tracker actually goes from 50 to 110. Just for a reference point, 30 decibels is about the environment of a library setting. 50 decibels, or 60 actually, is normal conversation. 80 would be the dial tone of a telephone. And 100, the sound of a motorcycle. And 110, a power saw at about the distance of 3 feet. So it kind of lets you know where you can set your decibel level where you would like it to be. This one is particularly set on 70. And then down here are your control buttons to turn it on and adjust the volume of the voice that speaks to you when you are out of range. And over here you can adjust the volume of how loud the voice of the Yacker Tracker tells you that you're being too loud. And up here you have a count of how many times you've alerted too high up to the red level. And you are able to reset that. So the green means you're okay, you're doing all right. The noise level is normal. Once you bounce up to the yellow level, then it's kind of giving you a little warning, okay, things are getting a little loud around here. And then once you hit the red sad face, you're going to start being too loud, and that's when you're going to start affecting your patients and not being quiet enough. So that's the Yacker Tracker.